Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken tikka madras. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe and like. Thanks. To make my madras, you will need 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, a 2-inch piece of cassia bark or cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamom pods, 1 black cardamom pod, 1 small red grated onion, 2 sliced green chillies, 1½ teaspoons of grated ginger, 1½ teaspoons of grated garlic, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste mixed with 6 tablespoons of water, half a teaspoon of fenugreek leaves or kasoori methi, 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste, 2 teaspoons of mixed powder or curry powder, 2 teaspoons of hot chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 6 to 8 pieces of meat, vegetables, paneer or tofu. I'm using my chicken tikka, 250 milliliters of heated up curry base, and 1/4 cup of fresh chopped coriander. Heat a pan on medium and add the oil. When hot, add the cassia bark, green cardamoms and black cardamoms and stir through for 30 seconds until they start to sizzle. The black cardamom will add a fantastic smoky flavour to the dish. Add in the red onion, stir through and fry gently until the onions soften and begin to slightly brown and caramelise. This may take about 3 to 4 minutes if you've chopped or grated your onions finely, but will be less if you've blended your onions in a food processor first. Add in the salt and fresh chillies as well as the ginger and garlic and fry for 1 minute until the bitter smell from the garlic reduces. Now add the tomato puree and fenugreek and mix through. This will start to create a paste that will allow the spices to fry without burning. Add in the tamarind paste. I watered mine down slightly. The spice mix, garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder and chilli powder according to the taste. Mix well, add a splash of base to loosen things up. Allow to fry for a minute or two, stirring every now and then to allow the spices to infuse. Turn up the heat to max and add in half the base gravy and mix through well. Allow to reduce for a minute or two, then add the rest before removing the cassia bark and all 3 cardamom pods. Add your choice of protein, coat and allow to reduce until the sauce is the consistency you require and the meat is cooked through. You only need to stir if it looks like it's going to stick or burn. Add the fresh chopped coriander, stir through and serve. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and loads more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.